How to fix Roblox error 610. 1. Check service. 2. Sign out and log in, later. 3. Flush system DNS. Run these commands as admin, IP protocol configuration / flush netshare winsock reset 4. Sign in from Roblox for Windows client. 5. Log out from your account. 6. Create a new Roblox account. 7. Try connecting to another network. 8. Update default browser and download the latest version of Roblox. 9. Update your graphic card driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide.